If past history was all that is needed to play the game of money, the richest people would be librarians. The investor of today does not profit from yesterday's growth. What we learn from history is that people don't learn from history. Not doing what we love in the name of greed is very poor management of our lives. We simply attempt to be fearful when others are greedy and to be greedy only when others are fearful. Money is not everything. Make sure you earn a lot before speaking such nonsense. Today people who hold cash equivalents feel comfortable. They shouldn't. They have opted for a terrible long-term asset, one that pays virtually nothing and is certain to depreciate in value. So smile when you read a headline that says investors lose as market falls. Edit it in your mind to disinvestors lose as market falls, but investors gain. Though writers often forget this truism, there is a buyer for every seller and what hurts one necessarily helps the other. Only when the tide goes out do you discover who's been swimming naked. Predicting rain doesn't count, building the ark does. The years ahead will occasionally deliver major market declines, even panics, that will affect virtually all stocks. No one can tell you when these traumas will occur. This does not bother Charlie and me. Indeed, we enjoy such price declines if we have funds available to increase our positions. The best chance to deploy capital is when things are going down. It's been an ideal period for investors. A climate of fear is their best friend. Those who invest only when commentators are upbeat end up paying a heavy price for meaningless reassurance. It's better to hang out with people better than you. Pick out associates whose behavior is better than yours and you'll drift in that direction. Of the billionaires I have known, money just brings out the basic traits in them. If they were jerks before they had money, they are simply jerks with $1 billion. It takes 20 years to build a reputation and 5 minutes to ruin it. If you think about that, you'll do things differently. Lose money for the firm, and I will be understanding. Lose a shred of reputation for the firm, and I will be ruthless. If you get to my age in life and nobody thinks well of you, I don't care how big your bank account is, your life is a disaster.